Hi guys, my name is 𝗪𝗁𝗃 from usitrecruit.com. Welcome to CEIPAL Unlocked Lesson 5, where CEIPAL Unlocked is a series of videos about CEIPAL ideas on how a recruiter can use CEIPAL to the fullest. If you are watching our videos for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. So today we are going to talk on how to search for a candidate and job in CEIPAL. Let's get started. So let's see how we can search for a candidate in CEIPAL. So in order to search for a candidate, go to applicant section in CEIPAL and paste the email address of the candidate in the search bar and hit on enter. And this is how we can able to get the candidate details here. So there is another way to search for the applicant. Click on this universal search bar at the top right corner and paste the email address which you want to search for and select applicants from the drop down. So you'll be getting the same candidate when your search. So let's see how we can search for a job in CEIPAL. So in order to search for a job, just click on job postings page and paste the respective job ID in this little search bar, and this job ID will be given by your account manager or the team lead which you are working at. And this is how you can able to search for the job in CEIPAL. And there's another way to search. Just go to this universal search bar at the top right corner and paste the job ID here and select job postings from the drop down, and you can able to see the job postings here. So this is how we can able to search for a single candidate using email address and the job using the job ID in CEIPAL. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please hit on that big fat like button below and share this video if you want to, and please write down something in this comment section which is useful in this video, or if you want to ask something. And at last, before we wrap up, please do visit usitrecruit.com for more recruitment articles, tools and tips, and do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye. 𝗪𝗁𝗃.